not for sale. So there's a free in the box inside. Get the scanner.
Press. Like that. Continue.
So you have to create a HP account first when you downloaded the app
It's one of those 7
to configure
9
the printer.
1.
Okay, load it for the side.
So you have to configure the setup first in the HP Smart application in your phone. Then they will give you instructions from the phone's app or HP Smart application. They will give you instructions how you will install the ink. So this is what we're doing. We're following instructions from the HP Smart application. So you can either download it in your phone or in your laptop.
Congratulations, you are now ready to print document.
Now
Print.
we are ready to print. We will try, we'll check out. We try to print now. This is the machine. I think it's working. Basically working with application, HP Smart application and the printer. They go together. So there are things that you have to upload. As long as you have the HP Smart application, it's okay because they will tell you, they will show you or guide you how to install or set up the machine. So the Wi-Fi, it's also through the HP Smart application. It is where you connect. It's like first you download the app, and then from the app it will connect to the machine, I think through Bluetooth first, and then when the machine is in your application, then the application will guide you what to do, how you will connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. So now this is actually ready. We can print it from our phone, from computer, or from laptop directly, also through Wi-Fi. This is the paper here. And we open this one. And then here, you click black and white.
One, two, three, eight.
I'm going to print from the laptop. We have already tried copying directly from the printer, and then printing directly from the phone, this time from laptop. So it's searching for the printer. Then I found the printer now, so I have to check that one, so it's connected. Then I have to connect it to the laptop. Okay. Ako na. Current Wi-Fi pin code for this. So I get the pin code, so I will have to put the pin. So I actually got the pin code directly when I connected it to my laptop. 1852 5656. So you have to download the app also here in your computer. So I'm going to, there it is. Okay. I'm going to print it. Let's see. Yes. Print. Wires. Then this one, you can just turn it off because we don't need it. That, this.